Yeah, so the main points of control in a cultivation is your humidity, temperature, airflow, your basic environmental parameters, and then also unique to indoor ag is CO2. So we're boosting the CO2 levels in these rooms to enhance plant growth. In lighting, and Leora will talk more about this in detail, can change intensity and the photo period. So, or intensity, how intense the lights are, how long they're on during the day, photo period, and then the transitions between the dark times and the light time to ease the burden on HVAC equipment. And then water, basic water treatment coming in. A lot of these facilities have reverse osmosis systems to basically put the water to blank, and then they may adjust temperature. So temperature, total dissolved solids, may adjust the pH on the way in, and then centralized fertigation systems that are adjusting the pH and adding nutrients, which adjust the electrical conductivity or the EC of the water. And all of these various things are all monitored and controlled. And we'll talk about the different systems that are used to do this.
So yeah, in summary, if you're thinking about these facilities as just having HVAC and lighting controls just on and off and modulating things, there's a lot more things being modulated. There's a lot more inputs that are being tracked. And so talking about sensing and monitoring equipment is something that we're going to come back to as well, especially for the utility program administrators thinking about how can controls be incentivized. This equipment is something to consider to incentivize, because it is a main means of the cultivators to understand what's happening in their environments, and then also a very important means for understanding the savings that's actually happening in the systems.